Hi guys, my name is Johan from restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to give you my Continental Speed King review. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I also have a Facebook group for like-minded people who are into bike restorations or mountain bikes or road bikes in general, and you're welcome to join that group with the help of the link in the description below. The full name of the Speed King is actually the Continental Speed King 2.2 RaceSport. The 2.2 reverts to the tire width in inches and RaceSport to its construction, which includes their BlackChili compound. Let's first take a quick pause and contemplate why you would want the Continental Speed King in the first place. Just as with the other tire I reviewed recently, which was the Untitled Bridge, the Continental Speed King's slick profile prefers you to move the bike in a straight line. Trust me when I say this is not a tire you want to have sitting on the rims of a bike that you take out on the trail. You'll regret it as I have. I admit I'm no Tom Pidcock, but there are tires better suited for trail riding. So I would argue that for the ordinary person, the tire can be used for road, gravel, and light XC riding. I've put the Continental Speed King tires on my Continental Killer V, and I've turned this old hardtail into a gravel/road bike I use predominantly on pavement. I had a number of requirements, with the core focus being speed, so it was only natural that I looked at the lightest slick tires for 26-inch rims. The tire has a nice round profile and looks great. There's hardly any tread pattern to speak of, and the center panel looks like a snakeskin and is almost just as smooth, with very small raised knobbies on the side for cornering in hard pack conditions. That means you have little to no cornering grip. And when you do go hard into a corner on tarmac, the tire starts to sound markedly different because of the more raised side knobbies. Somehow this felt quite alarming. The Speed King comes in the single casing, which is Continental RaceSport with BlackChili compound. It's always difficult to say anything about different compounds because each manufacturer has their own magic formula. What I can say is that I've done a number of stops where I completely locked up the wheel, and the resulting skid across the pavement of a couple of meters didn't do much damage to the shallow treading, which is confidence inspiring. I've done around 1,000 kilometers, which is roughly 620 miles, and so far the tires don't show any signs of significant wear. The weight of this tire is absolutely incredible and sits at a mere 410 grams for a 26 times 2.1 inch tire. I once rode Swalby Fat Franks, and those tires are more than twice the weight, with 975 grams per tire. That type of weight is very noticeable if you compare it to 23 millimeter Vittoria Corsa road tire, which is 275 grams. You realize just how low of a weight 410 grams is for a mountain bike tire. I bought my tires for €75.20 a pair, and that's an average premium price for a set of tires. And for that price, you get a pair of tires that only comes in black. These tires made me fall in love with the Continental brand because they are such distinctive tires that sit an extreme spectrum of riding. I wanted to have a fast mountain bike for road riding, and these tires were the perfect solution. The low weight and accompanying tread pattern means they are blisteringly fast while still not detracting from the sturdy look of the mountain bike. That's why I like them better than the true slicks like the WTB Thick Slick. And on top of that, they'll probably last me a long time, enough to ensure I'll get my money's worth for the price that wasn't all that steep in the first place. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and don't forget to consider joining the Facebook group. And if you have any question about these tires or any other question about bike restoration, let me know in the comments below or join the Facebook group. And I hope I can welcome you again for the next video. Bye for now.